Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be showing you how to make the most amazing smoked barbecue pulled pork outside on the world's smallest patio.
It's not going to be so small anymore, babe, is it?
Babe finally gave in. We're selling the patio furniture that we never used to make room for more grills.
And I'm going to use the money to buy myself a giant queen wicker chair to sit right out there. Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet. It'll be lovely.
Okay, follow along. Super simple video recipe. You guys, this is impressive pulled pork. We've made it like 30 times.
It's
and
our
it
favorite.
Is very good.
It's a family favorite and a neighborhood favorite.
True. All right, and here we go. You sold the patio furniture.
You wanted me to.
Okay, so we're outside here on the world's smallest patio, and let me tell you the battle plan for today's cook. So of course, I'm gonna be using Jealous Devil, the best charcoal in the world, Jealous Devil lump charcoal, and that's primarily my fuel for this whole entire cook. I'm also gonna be using 3 chunks of cherry wood, throw that in the firebox too, just to add a little more smoky flavor, but really, the flavor is gonna come from the awesome Jealous Devil. So right now, I have a full chimney of lump getting warmed up with some little Weber wax lighter cubes. I'm gonna dump that into the firebox. I'm gonna choke it down, get that clean smoke, and our pit today is going to be running at 250, 275 all day long. It's very, very easy to maintain with the Jealous Devil when you set your dampers just the right way. So while the pit is heating up here, let's go back inside and get this pork butt seasoned up. Okay, so today's cook, we're gonna be using the pig squeal from Rustlin' Rob's out of Texas. We've used this before and it's really, really good. So that's what we're gonna be using today. So for the binder, I'm just gonna use regular old yellow mustard. And I know a lot of people go, oh, but I don't like mustard. You won't taste it at all. When it's all said and done, you won't taste anything. So it just makes for a nice sticky, tacky area where I can put the seasoning on. So we get that all wound down like that. So I'll start with my fat side on the bottom and we'll just get this seasoned up. And again, this is almost 5 pounds worth of pork. So you can go a little liberal on the seasoning because you will need it since it's so large. We'll just get it in. And what we're trying to do is develop that nice bark. So I always want to pat it in. I don't want to rub it. I want to pat it in because once it gets on the grill in the smoke, it's going to develop that really nice bark. And then you're going to have a really good texture and flavor when you shred it up at the very end. So this is going to work out really, really well. Okay, so we have to take a moment to give a big shout out to our buddy, the BBQ, over on YouTube, gave us an awesome care package, including Midland Malbec Golden Lager.
Maybach?
Maybach? Malbec. Malbec? Maybach.
Maybach.
6.5% by volume, 750 milliliters.
Oh, maybe we should trade.
What's yours?
This is a Sam Adams Boston Lager Pilsner.
That he brewed himself. 5%.
5%.
Awesome. BBQ, thank you, brother. We really appreciate it. I'll put a link to his channel up at the top. Awesome.
Oh, that's really good.
I had that one. That one's really good.
You
this
snuck one.
Yeah, I snuck one. I had to do a sample for
really good.
research purposes.
This is like craft beer.
Yeah,
restaurant
good job.
quality.
Good job. Both of them. Now I've tried both of them. They're fantastic.
It's really good. Let me try that one.
There you go.
What flavor is this?
It's a little bit more caramely than this one. This is my favorite. The Pilsner is my favorite.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, brother. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, we actually, yes, thank you.
Oh.
I'm super excited.
You had to wait till I left?
Yeah, sorry. I'm excited. Thank you.
Okay, 1 hour in at 275, the bark is starting to develop. Obviously, we have a long way to go, but the bark is starting to develop, and we're going to let it keep rolling. And maybe at hour 2 or hour 3, we'll start checking that internal temperature for the 165 mark. Okay, 3 hours in, 141, 151, 157. So we're getting there. Probably about another 20, 30 minutes. And then we'll put it in our disposable foil pan. Okay, babe, 3.5 hours. We put it in the disposable tin. The bark is set. It's awesome. So now you're doing knobs of butter on the top. and you're going to add a little bit of apple juice in. Then you're going to add a little bit more of the Russell and Rob's pig squeal. Apple juice, butter, more seasoning, wrap it in foil, back on the pit until it hits an internal of about 205 or so.
Is that good?
But yeah, the most important thing is that you want it to be like super, super tender. Just a little bit, now, not too much, that's perfect. Good. Yeah. And then we got to get some foil, wrap it up, and we'll put it back on the pit.
Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Back on. Wrapped and ready.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're back. We have no more patio furniture. So it's no longer the world's smallest patio.
Oh boy, you're really...
We're just full of barbecues and charcoal. But hey, we spent 3.5 hours uncovered on the Oklahoma Joe, and then we covered it and put it in for another 4.5 hours, and now it's 8:15 p.m., and we're going to let it set for 1 hour before we eat it.
3.5 plus 4.5.
That's 8.
Okay. Okay.
That's 8. Okay, let's do this. We're going to cover it up with a towel to keep it nice and warm. And we're going to keep it covered until 9:15 p.m.
So an hour.
Yeah, I'm really hungry, so we'll see how long that lasts.
Okay. See you in an hour.
See you in an hour. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's literally just like melting. It's so good. So it ended up being about 9.5 hours total. That is delicious.
Top tier channel members, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow.
It took a long time to do. Thank you everybody for sticking with us. We'll see you on the next one. Actually, this is melting in my mouth. This is the
It's very good.
Delectable pulled pork I think we've ever made.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to Josh is a Jerk and causes drama all day long. Today, we're going to show you how to make pulled pork on a patio that has no room left because he's filled it with charcoal and barbecues. But there will be soon there will be room because I just gave in and sold our patio furniture. He wins.
Okay, can you be serious now?
Sure, why don't you talk?
No.
No, you do all the talking. It's your
No.
channel. I'm just along for the ride.
Yeah?
I don't do anything, remember?
So why do you want to be in it then?
Because it's called Josh and Babe.